Welcome back, my dear viewers, to another soul-stirring journey of inspiration. Your presence brings a radiant light to this sacred space, and I am truly grateful for the bond we share. Before we embark on this transformative voyage, I want to extend a heartfelt invitation to you all. If you haven't already, consider subscribing to our channel and becoming part of our growing community. By subscribing, you'll be the first to receive more uplifting content that nourishes your soul and inspires your heart. Now, let's dive into a tapestry of timeless wisdom that touches both ancient and modern realms. Are you ready to be uplifted? Let's begin. Picture this. The only way to make sense out of change is to plunge into it. Move with it and join the dance, said the modern philosopher Alan Watts. Embrace the rhythm of change, for it leads us to new beginnings and brighter horizons. In the confrontation between the stream and the rock, the stream always wins, not through strength, but by perseverance, observed the American author H. Jackson Brown, Jr. Embrace the power of perseverance, for it empowers you to overcome any obstacle on your journey of growth and transformation. From the ancient Roman poet Horace comes this gem. Adversity reveals genius. Prosperity conceals it. Embrace resilience as the beacon that shines through life's challenges, revealing the strength within you. Let's delve into modern wisdom with Brené Brown's words. Vulnerability is the birthplace of innovation, creativity, and change. Embrace vulnerability as the fertile ground for growth, where you find courage to face life's uncertainties. Gratitude turns what we have into enough, expressed the modern writer Melody Beattie. Embrace gratitude as the alchemy that transforms ordinary moments into cherished blessings. Journey back to ancient Japan, where the Zen proverb whispers, "When you drink water, remember the source." Embrace mindfulness, for it helps you savor each experience and appreciate life's abundance. The purpose of life is not to be happy. It is to be useful, to be honorable, to be compassionate, to have it make some difference that you have lived and lived well. Shared the modern author Ralph Waldo Emerson. Embrace purpose as the guiding star that fuels your life's mission. From the wise words of Maya Angelou, the renowned poet and civil rights activist, you can only become truly accomplished at something you love. Don't make money your goal. Instead, pursue the things you love doing, and then do them so well that people can't take their eyes off you. Embrace your passions and talents, for they hold the key to unlocking a fulfilling and purposeful journey. As we conclude this enchanting voyage, I want to thank each and every one of you for being a part of this transformative experience. If you haven't already, remember to hit that subscribe button and join our growing community. By subscribing, you'll stay connected to the endless stream of inspiration we have in store for you. Your support means the world to us, and I can't wait to welcome you back to more uplifting adventures. Until we meet again, may you carry the wisdom of these scenes in your heart and find inspiration in every step you take. Stay inspired, stay blessed, and remember, we are in this journey together. Thank you, and see you soon.